What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do what we do every day. Look on the price on the asset that we are trading in this my Millionaire journey 2024-2025, which is Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Then we'll look our positions. Please, you can follow along and compare with mine to see how yours are doing, going down, left, sideways, whatever is happening. I will also look at price in details. Okay, like I said, it is always good to do that every day. It's not it is not only give you practice, it is also helping you to monitor the market trends, where the market is going. But anyways, before we do that, guys, to become rich or become a millionaire is not an easy path. It's not an easy road. There are people that get through that either by winning the lottery or by getting some kind of inheritance. That is a different thing. But people like you and I that have to grind, invest, and do all the stuff to get there, it is never, has never, and will never be an easy road. Why I'm saying that is because, like I said yesterday, the market gets red. You see people giving up. You see people throwing in the towels. You know what? I have my position is down 20%, 30% down. I may as well just close it and try to save whatever I got. To me, that is a recipe for failure. I don't do that. When I go in on an asset, I like the glory or zero. Even if it goes to zero, it is what it is. That's why they usually say, do not invest money you are not ready to lose. But you'll find out, okay, even people like Warren Buffett, they always say the same thing. You'll find out if you stick to your plan, okay? If you stick to your plan, you will come at the end of the tunnel where there is a light. Understand? That's exactly why I always tell you guys, when there's blood in the market, if you have some money on the side, it's time to scale up your positions. It's time to buy in more on your spot position. There's a lot of things you can do instead of crying all about it. Whoa, that's a nice sunset right there. I don't know if I can put it on camera, but it's gonna look right there. Yeah, that's a nice sunset. But anyways, that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. People will give up when they are this close to the glory. You will see people giving up this close to the glory. The bear market has been the bear market for me, it started 500 days before the Bitcoin halving. So if you've been holding, you've been investing, you've been trading all the way till now, you're almost out of the tunnel. That's when you go give up. That to me does not make any sense at all. Any sense? It doesn't. But you will see a lot of people who will make that move. Excuse me. And you will see a lot of people who will lose a lot of money. When I say a lot, it's a lot of money by looking at what other people are saying, by taking in opinion that don't really make any sense at all. Like I said, it is just a matter of 5 minutes. Just go look at it. Get some time, do your research, look at it, look at the data, look at the sentiments around you. I told you guys 3 months, actually 2 months now. In 2 months, you will see. You will see how everything starts to turn green. As a matter of fact, right now, every chart on in the coins that we are dealing with, they are right now the RSI, MACD, the indicators, they are at the bottom. Quant, for example, is testing the bottom of the triangle, which is around $58 to $60. Okay, Casper is testing the bottom of the line, which is around 15 to 14 cents. Jasmine is testing the bottom, the same thing. Excuse me. Which is the same thing. And again, for you to become rich, it is not going to be that easy. Because trust me, that is when you start getting all these difficulties. Your car breaks down, or you need to go to the hospital, you need to do this, you need to do that. There's always something on the way. To me, when I start seeing that kind of stuff, the market goes from being so bullish to the bearish sentiment ever. When I start seeing that kind of stuff, guys, that is when I know, yeah, I think we are in for almost round 3. I'm telling you guys, a lot of people are expecting September to be red, and I have a feeling that September we are going to see God candles. That's what I have a feeling for. As a matter of fact, that's why my positions, I still got them open. I won't panic close them. I will not run away from them, trying to do this and that. Because trust me, that is when the market usually flip. Right now, look at the fear and greed index. The whole market is fearful. Everybody is afraid. And I don't understand why. Because this September, we are going to have the rate cuts. It's the beginning of the rate cuts this September. And then from that, you already know what usually happens. Casper, for example, in every FMOC meeting, Casper usually shoot up in price. And the next FMOC meeting is like a week and a half away, or less than a week away, something like that. I can't recall offhand. I can't recall. You will see. And once the rate cuts kick in, everything will turn green. It's like people trying to catch the price at the bottom. You will never, guys, you will never catch the price at the bottom. That is literally impossible. Okay? That is impossible. You could either catch it when it's still going down, or you can catch it on its way up. Depends on what you want to do. Me, you guys already know, I'm a very aggressive trader. I like to have my position in before the price reverses. That's why sometimes, even if I go down 50, 60, 70% on my position, I don't care, because I know sooner or later it's going to reverse, it's going to go back up, and you are down right now 50, 60%. But trust me, in a month or two, you'll be up there 3, 4, 500%. That's what it is. And with no warning. Nobody will tell you. The market is not going to tell you, hey, I'm about to take off. Nobody will. Excuse me with the noise. I got in my parking lot, my neighbors. So, excuse me. So, yeah, that is what it is. You would not sit here and cry about it, that you want to be a millionaire, and yet you don't want to take the risk. It is not easy. It's not an easy way. It's not a excuse me. It's not a road of roses. That's not what it is. There are ups and downs. Again, like I've always said, this market does not shoot up in a straight line. The market shoots up. Okay, when it shoots up, it takes breathers. That means price action comes down, goes sideways before the next leg up. That's how it works. But you still got people, every little breather, they start crying. This right now in the bull run, it is a breather. It is not a dump. A dump is when you go 90% down. And that's what happens in the bear market. In the bull run, we have prices going up all the way, and then we have price breathers, which is like 20-30%. That's what happens. That's what happens in a bull run. Okay, you're going to have a Bitcoin, for example, go up and then come down 20, 30, 40%, and then kick up again. That's what happens. And then the next leg up, Bitcoin 12 probably will probably do a 2x or 3x in the next run up. So that's how it works. But if you're over there being afraid because you're losing 20%, 30, 40% of your position, you are not going to make money in this bull run. Not only that, you are not going to be part of those who say, yes, I made $1 million or I made $2 million. You are not. That's why I'm here every time. People sometimes they say I'm too bullish. Yeah, I am too bullish because I know what I hold. I know what Casper will do. I know what Quant will do. I know what Jasmine will do. And I hold my positions. Nobody ever said it was going to be easy. If it was that easy, everybody would have been in it right now. But we know that it's not easy. And because it's not easy, only few people like me and you dare to take this road. Because in 10 to 12 months from now, we are going to sit here. Well, I don't drink. Some of you will pop champagne. I don't drink. I'll probably sit here with my Casper mug, be like, yeah, guys, that's my Bentley. Understand? And that's the whole point of us doing this. Anyways, now that being said, like I said, it's not easy. Nobody ever said it's going to be easy, but you have to take those steps. You have to make those sacrifices. Okay, when the market is red, that's when you go in. That's when you strengthen your positions. But anyways, let's go look at the market right quick, see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's start first with the crypto bubbles. Okay, let's look at this. Crypto bubbles, where is it? See right there. See, that's what the last this is the last day. That's what the last day looks like. Last hour, a little pump up. Again, like yesterday, sideways. It goes up, comes down, retests, goes up, comes down, and retests. That's exactly what's happening. And I keep telling you guys from yesterday, you don't need to panic. Market is just going sideways. Everybody's getting ready for these rate cuts, guys. So let's look at first Casper, King Casper, KAS. Here we can see 0.1% down for the last hour, 3.8% down on the daily, 3.4% down on the week, 12.7% down on the month, and 368% up on the year. Looking at QNT, Quant, it's the same thing, guys. Look at the numbers, just the same. 0.2% down on the hour, 3.2% down on the day, 4.5% down on the week, 5.1% down on the month, and 38.5% down on the year. Look at Jasmine, JAS. We have the same. Look at that. 0.4% down on the hour, 4% down on the day, 7.4% down on the week, 22.4% down on the month, and 387% up on the year. See what I'm telling you? See what I'm telling you? Compare these numbers to yesterday. We are just going sideways. Market is about to run. That is, I keep saying it. It's just going sideways. Okay, even so. Oh, let's look at Bitcoin right quick. Okay, because a lot of people base everything on Bitcoin. Look, right here. Let's see Bitcoin right here. See Bitcoin? The same thing. 0.3% up on the hour, 2.2% down on the day, 2.6% down on the week, 5.1% down on the month, and 125% up on the year. Look at that. 57, almost $58,000 the price of Bitcoin right now. Again, sideways. Market has done dumping. A lot of people are expecting the bottom. The bottom is already in. That happened last month, August 5th. That's when the bottom was in. That big dump everybody's waiting for. That's what happened last month. And a lot of people are about to lose a lot of money because they still think Bitcoin is going down to $30,000. It is not happening. So guys, that is something that a lot of guys are not paying attention to. Okay, so you really have to like put those numbers side by side. That is the reason why every day I show them to you guys. I show you these numbers and you can compare. If you do not have access to charts, write them down and compare. You will see market is just going sideways. That's what's happening right now. Anyways, now let's go look at trading view right quick so we can look at these prices in a little bit more detail. Trading view right here. We are going to start with Casper. Okay, if you look at Casper, we are in the falling wage. Those of you who know, falling wages are very, very bullish patterns, because falling wages 90% of the time they break up and they go to the origin of the falling wedge itself, of the pattern, and which in this case is at that 21 cents on that all-time high. Look at that, guys. There is nothing, like I said, there's nothing to be feared. We've been let me see, let me zoom out a little bit, right there. See, that's what Casper's been doing, no more no less. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now this time again we're going to start to go up, try to break it again. The good thing about it, we are going to start, if we break it, we're going to break it together with this resistance at 15.8, almost 16 cents, and then start to go up. That's the good thing about this. Now if you look, go on to the 1 hour. 1 hourly is right there. See, exactly the same that is doing. The same thing it is doing. It's just testing the bottom of the wedge, and then from there take off to try to go up. There is nothing to be feared. Again, I showed you guys this same chart yesterday on the daily. Look, sideways. That is what Casper has been doing. Look, right there, sideways. Some guys say I need to take a look at the wages, look at the wicks. It's the same thing to me. So even if I drop it to check the wicks, it's the same thing. Nothing has changed right there. Look, price has just been going sideways. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now we're looking for up. So price is just doing the same thing, going sideways. You don't have to panic about this. All right. So we already know what's coming in for Casper on this month. We have the KRC 20, and we have a lot of bullish news for Casper this month, plus the FMOC meeting. So guys, you're about to make you a lot of money if you just be a little patient. Now look at Quant, QNT right here. I'm going to take on the Binance chart. This guy. See, Quant is doing the same thing. On Quant, when I look at it on the daily, you can see, if I zoom out, it is a triangle, an ascending triangle that is being formed on Quant on the daily. Because you see, right here, that is the resistance and this is the support. So Quant is just doing the same. Look at that. Down, up, down. Now we're looking to start to go up again. We're going to do this until we break out of this triangle. Looking at it on the 4 hourly, right here, you can see how it touches perfectly. Touch down here, the same thing perfectly. So yeah, everything is going according to plan, guys. There is no need for you to panic with Quant. Look at it on the 1 hour, right there. Look, let me zoom out a little bit. See, Quant on the 1 hour, we are forming a W, a giant, very, very giant W. Came down here, came down. So what I'm expecting Quant to do is try to go up again and try to break this 63, 64 $64 for Quant. Once it does that, if you measure from there to there, this will take, from the top of the breakout, this should take us to that $72. Understand? That's where we should go. We should go to $72, that major resistance that we're having right there. Again, with the FMOC meeting coming up, I'm not surprised to see Quant breaking this. And again, you guys need to zoom out. all this noise you're looking at, I will not get tired of saying this almost every day. All this noise you're looking at is just the beginning of something big, guys. Beginning of something big, meaning here, the major resistance up here at $125. That is what you're looking at right now. There is nothing more than that, guys. It is playing out exactly as everybody except, well, as we expect, because everybody else think quantity is going back down to $20 and I'm just laughing at it. But anyways, that's what's happening right now. So you've got to hold on to your horses. There is nothing wrong with what we are doing. Quantity still forming higher lows, lower highs. I mean, like, it's still on the up, or what you call it, upward trajectory. So yeah, you've got to really pay attention to it. So again, there's a lot coming in for crypto this month. There is a lot, and that lot is going to drive these prices up. You're about to start seeing God candles left and right. That's what you're about to start seeing. So let's look at the Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, JASMY. So Jasmy on Binance. There, see, the same thing with Jasmy. Like I told you guys, I'm still a little bit bearish on Jasmy until we go above that 2.3 cents. So, but yet Jasmy has two bullish patterns right now. We do have the falling wedge, and we do have the bull flag, which I've been showing you guys for the longest. Look at that, the bull flag, okay, which broke out. That was a fake out. So right now we are still on that bull flag, using that as a support. And again, but if you draw it in another way, you see a falling wedge, which again, it is a very bullish pattern. Once we break out of this, the target is going to be at that 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents for Jasmine. But still, I want to see the price breaking this 2.3 cents resistance. Understand? Once we break that 2.3 cents, another resistance that we have on our way is this one, the 3.8. Okay, 3.8 cents. So once we break this, the target for this is up there at 4.5 cents. Guys, you need to be patient. Everything is playing according to the plan. Go look at the previous bull runs. It's the same thing that happened over and over and over. Like I said, that is the only coin I'm a little bit bearish right now until price action goes to the way I want it. Regardless, I'm still on my Jasmy trade. I haven't closed it. I do know that this month, or this probably this might be the last week you're going to see crypto in red. This might be the last week. Let's fingers crossed. But everything is going according to plan. Prices is not dumping. They are just people taking profits, people being afraid of a little rate in the market. That's what's happening. Every bull run, this happens. It is normal. Okay, now let's go look at my positions right quick. But before we do that, know that I do not condone leverage trading, guys. I don't. If you don't know how to leverage trade, please don't do it. Just go only and buy coins on spot. Once you buy the coins on spot, you will also make money. Not as much as money as you would have made on leverage, but you do not go practice leverage trading if you are not confident on what you're doing. But if you are, I do have my Phemex and I do have my Bydfi. The links are below. Sign up, deposit, meet the deposit requirements, and you get free money. These guys are giving probably $3,000-$4,000 of free money right now. That's what they're doing. So yeah, once you do that, you can follow me, follow somebody, or do yourself. And that part, like I said, I don't really care, because the only thing I care is that you make money. That's all I care about. Either you follow me or follow somebody, as long as you make money. That's what is important. But anyways, let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. Let's go here, Bydfi. See, right here. Okay, as you can see, my Bydfi, again, we're going sideways. Today we are down 8,300 in total. Now 8,300, again, this is my long-term portfolio. I'm expecting this to be in 6 figures, and I will show you to you guys as time goes by. Anyways, let's go look at the contracts right quick. On the contracts, we do have here my quant is down 11%, which is $839 right there. And if you look at my Casper, I am down 28%, which is around 734. Again, for me, this is just normal sideways action, normal correction. There's nothing to be panicked about. Even if my position goes down 60-70%, it's normal. So again, you have got to pay attention, because this position, like I said, I have it open until the quant hits that 6,500. If it does, this position will make me $1.6 million. Even if it doesn't, like I said, I will monitor the market like I do every day, depending on the timing we are in the bull run, market sentiments and everything. Whatever the price is, I'm pretty sure this thing will go above that $5,000. Even if it doesn't, if it goes above $2,000-$3,000, we are still going to make a lot of money out of it. So the same thing goes with Casper. I have my tax profit at $10. If it goes to $10, this position will make me $668,000 in profit, or even higher, because I plan on scaling it up in the upcoming weeks or so. So yeah, let's go look right quick at my Phemex. Phemex right here. Excuse me, let me sign in. On my Phemex, you can see I am down 11,300. That's where we are right now. Again, this year I decided to turn the Jasmine into the long term, and the Casper is what I'm swing trading it based on the. I'm swing trading it based on support and resistance on Casper. But anyways, now if we go to the contracts, we do have here on my Jasmine I am down 35%. 35%, which is 4,100. On Casper, I am down 17%, which is $850. Again, like I said, that doesn't bother me, because I know this downwards is about to be over with, and it is going to happen in one day. You are going to see all these positions back in green in less than a day, something like that. But anyways, you've got to see here. I'm pretty sure that you guys already know. I told you guys here. My first major take profit consideration is going to be at 20 cents. If you look at 20 cents, this position will make me $146,000. I calculated that Jasmine, the top for this bull run for Jasmine is going to be 60 cents. Okay, so if you do it 60 cents, position will make me $471,000. But the CEO of Jasmine, they said it's going to probably reach 17,000. I don't think it will get there. But anyways, that's why I have my spot account. Because if I make $477,000, I'll close this and I'll keep my spot account open. Okay, so on this one, Casper, you guys already know the drill. Casper, with the smart contract launching, I'm expecting this thing to go up to 40 cents. At 40 cents, this thing will make me $18,000. I'll probably close it to scale up my other positions and reopen once the price comes down a little bit. Or again, like I see, there's a lot of movement showing that the exchange is about to list Casper, and that could read Casper up to $1. If it happens, this thing will make me $66,000. At there, I will close it, scale up some of my trades, and from there also reopen once the price comes back again. So yeah, the potential is there. The potential is there, guys. It is there. It's only for you to look and see it. Okay, it's not easy to be a millionaire. It's not easy. You have to do things other people will not even consider doing. It's not easy. But in 10 to 12 months from now, you and I would sit. I hope you remember this video. I hope you remember this. Save you somewhere, because I'm going to say I told you so in 10 to 12 months from now. That being said, guys, please subscribe to my channel. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please like the video, share, comment. I'd like to read your opinions. I will also try to respond to all of you. And above all, guys, please, until I see you in my next one, be safe out there. Okay, be safe. It's not easy to become a millionaire, but once you become a millionaire, you will not remember these rainy days. Trust me on that. That being said, take good care of yourself, and bye-bye.